Hey folks, thanks for coming back. I got blueberry bushes behind me with a lot of blueberries on the bushes, but we have one problem. So I'll turn this around and I'll show you what the problem is. All right, so look at all of these beautiful ripe blueberries all over. There, through here, here. "20 blueberry bushes loaded with berries." But the problem is this one's not too bad, but they're soft. A lot of these are soft. For two reasons. One, we had a lot of rain. Here's another one, it's soft. And you can see, if I can focus on this, a lot of water coming out of those. And that one's not bad. Well, here's one. It's very soft. Squeeze it just a little bit, and a lot of liquid comes out. And actually, some of them you can just see. I don't see any right now, but some of these you can see the liquid just oozing out of the berry while it sits on the plant. So we had one major problem. We had a lot of rain over the last few weeks. We had records amount of rain for July. So I think one of the problems is the plants are waterlogged. They're just getting too much rain. Here's a soft one. So they're getting too much rain and the berries are waterlogged. The other problem is on some of these, we just couldn't get out here to pick them with the rain. We had heavy rain. A lot of flooding. So we just couldn't get out here to pick them. I think some of these are just past ripe. And they're just rotting on the shrubs, on the bushes. So my goal today is to get out here and pick as many good ones as I can. Try to get caught up on these. And then toss the bad ones. Right now it's about, I'd say 50-50. 50% of these are good, 50% are bad. This one is just starting to get soft. Whole bunch in here. You can see these are past prime here. They're shriveling up. I can't get this to focus. Well, some of these are shriveling up. They're already drying out. But I'm going to save what I can. It's too bad because these are all soft. It's too bad because we have a real good crop this year. So I'll do what I can. Thanks for watching. So out of all those blueberries on all those plants, this is what I was able to salvage, and even these aren't all that good. They're just a little soft. Some of them are okay, but well, this one's really soft. You see all the water coming out of them, so these really aren't even worth eating. So I think these will go to the rabbits. Thanks again.